Welcome back to the LeadQuizzes 3 Academy. In this video, we're going to be talking about making your privacy policy a required part of your quiz. So once you've added your privacy policy here in the Configure section, we're going to go back to the Build section. Now there's two different places that we can add the privacy policy. The first is the Start screen. If you would like to make the privacy policy required on the Start screen, just click on your Start screen here and then toggle Show Privacy Policy to Yes. You're now going to see a box that says, by clicking this box, I agree to the privacy policy and read more link. That read more link is going to drive people over to your privacy policy that we added in the configure section. If somebody does not click this box, then they're not going to be able to start the quiz. They're going to see an error message that tells them to click that. Now, the second place you can add the privacy policy is on one of your form fields. So if we're asking for their information here and we want to have the privacy policy required, all we have to do is click on the form field and then toggle Show Privacy Policy to Yes. You can see what that looks like by clicking on Preview up here. And you're going to see that the privacy policy is added right there. So there's two different places that you can add the privacy policy.